Hey, what is up, guys? In this video, we will be reviewing Breakthrough University, Breakout University actually, and I will show you my results with this program, and we will try to make it short and quick. So, guys, Breakout University is a 6-week program. However, you can complete it in 2 weeks also, just like I did, and it completely depends on your speed to grab information. Now, here is James talking about email warming and deliverability, and you will learn lots and lots of things in this program about solo ads and promoting low ticket offers and also high ticket offers. So this is the curriculum of the course, and now I will show you my results. So basically you can promote offers from Warrior Plus or Explodely, which I am doing right now, and this is my Explodely dashboard, and you can see I have made $288 till now with this program, and I have somewhere around 1270 leads, and I can email these leads as much as I want to. I can send new programs to them, and these are my leads now. So in the back end, I have access to these leads, and these are my leads for as much time as I want. So this is what the program teaches: to collect as many leads as possible so that you have a big email list and you can email these leads different programs so that you keep making affiliate commissions. And James also gives you email swipes that you can use, and you can also let ChatGPT write emails for you in the same format as James teaches. Alright, so guys, I'm using system.io, although you can also use Aweber plus ClickFunnels. System.io is a cheaper alternative to get started with, and as soon as you keep making regular commissions with your leads, you can upgrade to ClickFunnels plus Aweber, which is better in terms of functioning, but it is also a costlier option. So you have two options, whether you can start with system or ClickFunnels with plus Aweber. Those are the only costs that you have to pay if you are getting into this program, and besides that, you will need to buy traffic. For example, TrafficZest is one of the recommended traffic sources inside the program. James shares his solo ads vendor with you, and among them, TrafficZest is one of them. Alright, guys, so as you can see, this month I have spent around $500 till now, and I am building my email list with these leads. Alright, guys, so James teaches you how to make opt-in pages for maximum opt-in percentages, and then how to make bridge pages so that the lead can get the idea of what the offer is all about. and then he teaches you to send the leads to the main offer page. So you will learn a lot of things, guys. And me personally, I have wasted a lot of money in solo ads because I didn't know what I was doing. And after taking this course, I know how solo ads work, what type of opt-in pages you need to build, what type of bridge pages you need to build, and what kind of offers you need to have. One more thing, guys, James gives you 80% commission bump on all his products. So it's a good way to build your list while getting paid 80% commissions. And this is the course, guys. As you can see, lots and lots of training. Plus, you get the amazing school community where a lot of people are there to answer your questions, and James also answers your questions. So if you are a complete beginner, you can ask your questions inside the community. And guys, if you want to go forward with this course, you can go through the link in the description of this video. It is my affiliate link for the course, and if you do it, I'm going to give you a bonus, and the bonus is going to be $200 worth of solo ads click from Traffic Zest, which is the recommended traffic source. All you have to do is just email me on this email. I will put this email in the description, and just share with me your sales receipt so that I can verify that you purchased through my link. And as soon as you do it, I will send you $200 worth of solo ads click from Traffic Zest. I think it's a pretty good offer. You will get the head start because you would have already paid $1,500 for the course. You might struggle a bit with buying ads click, so I'm going to help you in that area. And also, if you need any help from me, you can email me on this email, and I will help you with stuff because I know a thing or two about affiliate marketing. I have been doing it since some years now, and yeah, like, I'll try to help you as much as possible. And just go through the link in description, give it a go, and after that I will see you inside this email address. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubts or questions, you can either leave them in the comment box or email me. And I hope that this course turns out to be as amazing for you as it turned out for me, because now I can visualize that if I have 10,000 email addresses in future, this is the amount of money I can make. If I have 20,000, if I have 50,000, because all I have to do is collect email addresses from solo ads vendors, and then I have to write 2-3 emails with the help of ChatGPT and just send them, and it's like a 1 hour work day. Like, you have to work for 1 hour, and then your emails will do the rest of the job for you. So it's more like a lifestyle course where you will have enough time to do other things in your life. And if you have a 9 to 5 job already, you can just continue your job along with this program, because it literally hardly takes 1 hour per day. So that is why I think it's an amazing course, and anybody can take this course and start building their digital asset, which is their email list. So that is it, guys. I will see you in the next video and take care.